Welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning or a subscriber, welcome back. So this will be a three-part video. A company called Temu, and I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Temu, reached out to me and wanted to collaborate. And I was kind of like, I've never shopped on Temu before. I've never bought anything. I've heard of the big orange bags, the big orange packages, of course. But I just never shopped there and didn't look on the site or anything. So I didn't know what to expect shopping on Temu or collaborating with this company. I'm going to take you guys along on the journey with me. So if you've never shopped on Temu, watch this video. So for the graphic tees, I decided to do something a little different other than just styling graphic tees. I decided to cut on them, do my own little thing. And for this first shirt, it is a scissor t-shirt. I will say that the quality of the shirts is very soft. It's not like those Gildan hard, rough, t-shirts where, once you wash them, they stay that way and they shrink or whatever. These were very good, like soft t-shirts. Even when cutting them, I had to kind of pull it because they're so soft and stretchy. But I would say overall good quality t-shirts. I got, in each one I got an extra large. And this first one, let me get back into that. This first one will be my scissor t-shirt that I picked up from there. I think it was under $9. And I think once you get the app or put it on your phone or your first, I think you get some stuff free. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but I do know that you get a big discount. So it's like $9 and a few dollars off of that. So the price is right. For this shirt, I decided to just cut it up the front. I didn't do anything spectacular to the shirt. No crisscrossies or nothing like that. Just to cut up the front so that I could tie it. And that way I didn't have to put the knot in there, because I know if I'm going to wear this shirt, this is probably the way I'm going to wear it every single time. And I decided to wear red patent leather pants. I put on a rhinestone layered necklace, also some netted crisscross shoes, and then I put on a red crossbody. I think overall this look kind of reminds me of like a concert look. It's really simple, but then you see it commands some attention, those hot pants, you see that. The next one was a Hotel California shirt. It started off, as you see, as a regular extra large t-shirt. And what I did to it was I cut the arms off. I cut a V in the front and the back. So I put the shirt together and then I cut it down into a V to make it like pointy. And of course you see that I cut the arms off by just turning it sideways and cutting both the arms off. And then what I did was I tied the front and wore it with a gray skirt and a chunky silver necklace that I've worn before in another video. I wore some rhinestone boots and a rhinestone purse just to give it a little pop, because without those accessories, you see, it was kind of like, what are you doing here? But when you put those accessories on it, they just jazzed it up so much. And I love this look. The skirt also came from Temu, and it was a very good price. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box for every piece that I have on today. And also, before you ask, the hair is the bombshell, what do you call it? The curtain bang bombshell wig that everybody was going crazy on the other platform about. But yes, and I'll put the link in the description for that as well. This look kind of reminds me of a streetwear style, and that's my favorite style of dress. I love to dress like streetwear. So this one was my favorite, I think, out of this whole haul. With the next shirt, what I decided to do with this one, this is the Lauryn Hill shirt. As you see, it started off as a plain t-shirt, size extra large. And what I did was I cut it up the front and up the back. And what I wanted to do, I messed up. So what I was going to do was crisscross the front and tie each end on each corner, but I forgot once I put it on. I forgot exactly what I wanted to do to it. So I ended up just taking the back of it and bringing it to the front and tying it, which you can do that as well. Either way, you could wear the shirt tied on the corners, or you could bring the front to the back as what you're seeing in this video. I decided to pair it with a pair of black leggings, a pair of I call these my Frankenstein boots. Big chunky boots, and they have like silver little pins on them. And then I also, what else did I wear? I think that's all I put on with this. I didn't do too much with this. Oh, and then I put on like a layered necklace. So I wore the layered necklace underneath, and it's 2 layer necklaces that's trending right now, these chunky or layered necklaces. So I'll also put the links in the description box for that, because it's 2 different necklaces that I put on together to make that one. And that is that look. And lastly, the old school. So as you see, started off as a plain t-shirt, and all I did with this one, I cut it up the front and just tied it. So actually, yeah, I didn't cut the back. I just cut it all the way up the front from the top to the bottom. And then I just took the 2 pieces, tied it together. And that was the simple look that I did with this one. I paired it with a pair of flare jeans and a pair of denim booties. And I thought, you know, oh my God, you know, this is a cassette tape t-shirt. I got a cassette tape purse, which would just bring this whole look together. So I didn't put any other accessories on with it, because I just thought this was so simple but nice. And that was all that came, you know, that's all that came to mind with this one. And I think it came together very well. And lastly, the shirt that I'm wearing today, the whoop, there it is. What does it say? I don't always whoop, but when I do, there it is. And that's the end of this video. This is the last shirt. I didn't do anything to this shirt. I just put it on for the video, and I wanted to show it to you because I thought that was so funny and so cute. Anybody from my era, remember whoop, there it is. And if you made it to the end, I want to thank you for watching. This video is a part 1 to a 3-part Temu haul. I'm going to do different looks for the other 2 videos. That's why I separated them, but I hope that you continue to watch. Click the notification bell so you know when I post the next video, and like and share. Comment and let me know how you like these, like which style did you like the best for the t-shirts. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.